these cards because sometimes when you have a little one like this who isn't talking yet, it can be really hard to have a conversation with someone who isn't talking back. So I'm going to tell him about the fish and about the bubbles. Go bloop, 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 bloop. Yes, and you're looking at me and you're responding. So even though he's not talking, we're having what amounts to a two-way conversation. So he's giving me some feedback. What's that? A cat. Meow. Meow. That's what a cat says. And he's looking at the card and back at me, and at the card and back at me, and looking at my mouth especially. So all the language that's gonna come later, it's actually starting now before he's speaking. Let's find the trees. The trees are funny to you?